First time shimmer animation was used by Facebook to make UI elements look interesting while loading. Then they have made Shimmer library open source. Today we are going to make a shimmer effect without using the actual library in Sketchware. First of all, we have a horizontal linear. Inside it we will place two views, one actual view and another to create the illusion. Set width and height to 0 of your actual view so you can place another view along with it. So these are two similar views, one is actual one and second is the dummy with only images. We will show our GIF animation there, which will make the illusion of shimmer effect. Scale type of these images is fitxy. All of these images are scaled by fitxy. In Events tab, go to More Blocks, Shared Blocks and search for Glide a GIF. You will find my block. Download it. Now let's import our newly downloaded More block and we will create one more block. We are gonna call it from onCreate event. First we'll hide our actual view and show the shimmering view. Then we are calling the More block where we will glide our GIF animations into image view and then we will switch the visibility back. For switching back, this is just a demo, so we are using timer component, but you can do it on your network event or something that where you wanna implement it. To glide, simply just place the More block which we have downloaded and select the image view where you wanna glide. Repeat this process as many times as much images you have where you want to set the GIF animation. Not only shimmer animation, but you can easily place any GIF file into any image view. You can see there are a lot of images where I want to show the GIF, so I need to repeat this process a lot of times, but I can do it easily with that More block. We are getting this error because our file is missing from that folder. Make sure your file manager can show hidden files or use any good file explorer. So I have a GIF file which I want to set as the shimmering animation. So I will copy that and check my project number using SH recovery. And my project number is 1059. Then I will go to .sketchware / mysc. My project number, app main res ra. I will place my file there and then get back to Sketchware. And this is the final result. You can download files, use it in this project from our blog and that project also. Link in description. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and Allah Hafiz.